Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to share a bag review. For my bag review, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here bag. This is the bag I'm here to review. I have had this bag a little over 2 years now. Let's talk about her, okay? Because she cute. Speedy vibes, but in a different version of a Speedy. So this is the bag. And this here bag did not come pre-treated. Far as the leather, it was really light. It hasn't darkened a lot because you can see, if you can see the straps, they are still a little light to darken a lot. Now my other bag that I just reviewed, that bag, this bag was pre-treated because you can see the difference in the leather, like the color. Hopefully you can see it. So that particular bag was pre-treated, but like I said, this here wasn't. So darkened a lot, but not, you know, like it's supposed to. So I haven't been wearing it as much, but I do wear this hair bag. To do a review on this bag because I know there's a lot of my Louis Vuitton girlies out there probably looking to purchase a bag. And if you never purchase anything from Louis Vuitton, I'm here to share things that I recommend if you are looking to purchase your first Louis Vuitton. Now keep in mind, my first Louis Vuitton was the Speedy and the Neverfull. Those were like my two first bags that I purchased, luxury. And I don't regret my Speedy, but I do regret the size of my Speedy, because back then when I purchased my Speedy, I purchased a 30, and I feel like a 30 is not my everyday size anymore. I had preferred to get a 25 over the 30 more than my Speedy 30 because of the fact that I feel like it's a little too big for me now. Don't regret my Speedy. I do wish I would have gotten that in the damier or bean print, but back when I first started purchasing Louis Vuitton, I was like a monogram girl. Like everything was monogram. Well, so that's why I have a lot of monogram in my collection. I had one leather piece, but I did sell it. And the only reason why I have a lot of canvas items, because I'm gonna be completely honest, back then the leather was a little more expensive, so I just kind of stayed in my bracket, because a lot of my bags that I have purchased have been no more than 2,000, and if it was over 2,000, it was less than 500 over, if that makes any sense. So back then when I was buying my monogram, they were under 2,000. Like I said, this here was 2 years ago. Back when that bag, I think I paid under, I want to say maybe 15 or 1,600, if that. Purchased a lot of monogram because, like I said, back when I was purchasing Louis Vuitton really heavy, a lot of things were under $2,000. But now I done saw prices on things and everything is over 2,000. You can barely get a monogram bag under 2,000 unless you get like one of those micro small miniature bags. And no, don't be wrong, I like the miniature bags, but I'm not going to spend almost 2,000 for a miniature, like a teeny weeny bag. Like absolutely not. You have your zipper pull here at the top, and in the inside of this particular bag versus the other bag, that bag microfiber in the inside, and this one here is just fabric. This would have came with the microfiber because it just elevates the bag. It just elevates the bag. Coming off red, but it's more like a purplish color. With the strap, anytime I buy a handheld bag, it has to come with a strap. Like I could never purchase this bag without a strap. Purchase a handheld bag, please pay the extra money for the strap. I'm telling you, you would thank me later, because you will get tired of carrying this bag in the crook of your arm. Purchase my Speedy. You can purchase the Speedy by itself without the strap, and it is a little cheaper, but for me it was worth paying a few extra dollars to get the strap, because when I tell you, the layer has saved my life, because it's times I'll walk out the house like this and by the end of the day it's a crossbody because I'm tired. My hands, you know, I'm trying to use my hands to try on clothes or to go shopping to hold my coffee or whatever the case is. You can't do that all the time with a handheld bag. My bag was a Birkin, and that has changed because I'm like, for that type of money, I ain't got time to be like this all day. I don't care how much my bag is. If it bothers me, I will hand it off. Like, here, can you carry my bag for me? Because I'm tired. So I say that to say that's not my dream bag anymore. To the review. So you do have 2 patch pockets here. And you do have 1 pocket here. There's 1 big hole. I believe you can get an organizer with this, but I don't know. I'm not an organizer girl to throw my stuff in here. If I want to so-called be a little organized, I would just use my pouches. And with the organizer, I just feel like you won't be able to use your pouches because the organizer takes up a lot of room. Say having an organizer will keep the bottom of your bag clean. I do experience lint and dust and everything like that, but I usually take a lint roller, peel the roller off, like peel the paper off and take it and stick it, like push it down to like get all the lint off, because it's hard to do. It's hard to use it as a roller inside of the bag. So that's what I usually do, is peel the paper off and wrap it around my hand and just do like this to clean it. And that for this hair bag before I store it, because it is a little dusty at the bottom. Really quick, if I didn't mention, it comes with a lock, different than my Louis Vuitton Speedy, because when I tell you that Louis Vuitton Speedy lock looks crazy, but it's giving that vintage vibes, because that Louis Vuitton is 10 years old, 10 years plus, so that's considered my vintage piece in my collection. Sell that bag because, like I said, that was my first Louis Vuitton bag. Like, that bag was just, it would just always stay in my collection. That bag I probably would pass down to my daughter if she wants the bag to wear, but it's in a good way, like not beat down worn where you wouldn't want to wear the bag. I do have water spots on the bag. What else? Like I said, the lock tarnish. I could replace the lock, but I feel like if I replace the lock, you're going to have this bright, shiny lock and then like a vintage look of a Louis Vuitton. So I'm not looking to change the lock, probably just keep the lock on the bag. Inside of the bag, the bag do not have feet. I do wish this bag had feet at the bottom, because this here bag do have feet, and it just helps a lot with a bag with feet. Like, I just love a bag with feet. It just helps when you go sit it down. It's not touching the ground. But it's not touching the surface of anything, because I don't put my bags on the ground. Straps. So I'm going to just put some stuff in here. The stuff that I put in here, y'all have seen plenty of times. Quick, I have this here Sephora bag. This is where I keep a lot of my stuff. So when they have to check my stuff, it's in a clear pouch. Usually you're supposed to just keep your products, like your lip stuff or whatever makeup you have, in here, but of course I put other stuff in here. Edge, pink pouch, my Victoria's Secret coupon, car keys, my Touchland hand sanitizer case. I had my gum in here because the case finally broke. Card case, y'all. When I tell you I love this here card case, but I will say I do notice a little bit of wear in the corners. It's not really bad, but I'm not sure if you can see it. So this is why I like to keep this inside of something. Like, I don't like to have this laying in my purse. I don't know, I just feel like it may get dirty. So I usually stick it in like a pouch or something, or a patch pocket, like so. So something like this. As you know, I have this here Chanel, these Chanel blotting sheets, and you know I have this, is in this black felt pouch, and I don't know if this will rub off on that Chanel, and if it did, I would die. So that's why I'm like, I just keep it away from each other, because we don't want them fighting in there and she get all dirty. Case wasn't cheap. So thing that I have in this here bag. So like I said, this here do have a top zipper. This one don't. But I don't mind this not having a top zipper, because a lot of times when I use this bag, I make sure I put stuff in pouches where it doesn't matter, because like I said, the bag do zipper. And one thing about Louis Vuitton, y'all, hands down, has the best zippers. Like, do you see how smooth this is? When I go out, I usually take my strap. Like, I always have my strap with me because, like I said, I'll start off wearing it in the crook of my arm, and by the end of the day, it's a crossbody. So this is how I usually carry the bag when I'm out. I usually carry her like this, and by the end of the day, y'all, she's like this. And again, very comfortable because this looks as a crossbody. If you are looking to purchase a bag, I would highly recommend, still in really good condition. I did spray her with Apple Guard back hardware. It's still nice. This here do come with a set of keys, and I do keep the keys in the bag. Like any bags that come with locks or whatever, I do keep them inside the bag just so they don't get lost. Keys, like I said, my Speedy keys, they are tarnished. They look horrible. Probably could put like a bag charm on here. I did see people tie like bandeaus on the side of this here bag. I only have one bandeau. I was looking to purchase a newer bandeau, but I just haven't been like purchasing luxury things lately. Like I said, I had put a pause on purchasing luxury things. My birthday is coming. My birthday is coming, so that may change. Not sure about a bag, but I know I will be getting a small SLG for my birthday or for Christmas. Add a Chanel card case because I like my Chanel card case, but I do want to get it in maybe a darker color, black and gold. So yeah, so fun and cute to me. Like, we are in the fall months, so it's giving like pumpkin vibes. So soft and squishy. I do have a few cards in here. Chanel card case, and I also love my hair bag. Let me show you, give you the information on this bag just in case you want to look it up. Man, if you are looking to purchase any type of luxury items, I would recommend you going into the stores to, you know, check them out, look at them, try them on. And here is the name of the bag. Here is in the PM size. I stopped buying MM sizes, y'all, because I don't know, the MM is just a little too big for me, and this here PM is the perfect size. To get on here and do a bag review, because I wanted to like go through my bags one by one and update you all regarding my bags. Like, if I'm still loving it, do I regret purchasing this? Like this hair bag, I don't regret purchasing. I love her a lot. I just try to like rotate my bags a lot because I'm blessed to say I have a few Louis Vuitton, and it's so crazy because at one point in time I never thought I would be able to afford to purchase Louis Vuitton. So I'm just like blown away when I look at my collection. With that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed this here bag review, or subscribe because I will be going through my collection and, like I said, reviewing my bags one by one. Please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you could be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Mwah.